Hey y'all, I'm back. It's been a year, but I'm finally making a new YouTube and I'm about to show y'all how I flat iron my hair. So this side is blow dried and this side is still curly. This is the blow dryer I use. I got it off Amazon a couple years ago. It's by Revlon and this is it. I like it. It works pretty good. Okay, so now I'm gonna start on this side. And I normally just spray my hair with this Silk Elements Mega Silk Heat Protectant. Okay, so now I got both sides pretty much blow dried out completely. And now I just go back through one more time to make sure. Okay, this is the flat iron I use. The name is not on it no more, but it's called a Sutra, S-U-T-R-A. My mama got it for me and my sister a couple years ago, but it works good. It have this little part right here where you can put some kind of infusion oil or something, but I done ran out of it and I ain't ordered no more, so I just spray my hair with the heat protector, then I just flat iron it. I'm waiting on it to heat up. And y'all, I know I'm not supposed to flat iron my hair on the highest temp, but I do. It goes to 450, and that's what I put it on every time. I feel like I'm using the heat protectant, so it ain't gonna burn my head. And it ain't burned it yet, so I'm guessing that the heat protectant works. So I'm just waiting on it to get hot. It's like, you can't see it, but it's on 450 now, so. And I just start from the back. Yeah, this whole process with washing my hair, blow drying, and flat ironing, it takes about an hour. So this part typically takes me about 30 minutes to just flat iron my hair. And before I actually flat iron it, I always spray a little heat protectant in my hand and I just rub it in. And it be smoking. You'd think my hair finna catch on fire, but it don't. My curls always just bounce back. So don't try to be coming for me talking about I'm burning my hair, because I'm not. It's my hair and I know what I'm doing. Okay. And then I just go to the next piece. Let y'all see. It's pretty flat. halfway done. It's a pretty quick process, but I just don't like doing it. Okay, y'all. I'm almost through. You see my hair? It's really straight. Yeah, my mama got this flat iron off of QVC. She loved QVC. And she was up one night, I guess, watching. And she saw they had a flat iron on there. And it was talking how good it was. And she ended up ordering it. I think it was like $200 some if I'm not mistaken. I don't know where else to find it. It's about, that's the only place I know they have it. I don't know if they still got it, but that's been about 3 years ago that she got this for us. So, and it do good. Okay, y'all, I'm done. And that's how I flat iron my hair. I'm gonna let y'all see the back. My hair done grew. Okay, y'all, that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow. And I'm gonna try to start posting more often now. But yeah, I don't be doing what the post about.